Bolivians gathered in the country's capital La Paz on Friday to enjoy a massive plate of traditional CHAIRO soup and celebrate the anniversary of the country's 1809 independence attempt. A group of cooks and chefs prepared what the local government said is the largest pot of CHAIRO ever made. Chef Pedro said the pot in which the soup was cooked in was 3 meters or 10 feet in diameter and 1 meter or 3 feet deep.
Hoy día hemos elaborado el chairo paseño más grande del mundo. El plato mide 3 metros de diámetro, 1 metro de profundidad. No, este es un alimento de nuestros abuelos ancestrales, se podría decir, de la época de colonia. Tiene bastante historia, ¿no? Entonces, pues ha sido un reto elaborar este plato.
The soup consists on traditional Bolivian ingredients such as chuno, a potato traditionally dried by indigenous people, and ingredients bought by the Spaniards like beef and wheat.
Nanakakana kampi hakasip porque nanakara lut apto chunha choketa ki lut apta huipita ki ha uka chun pase apta u kampi lut asip hermano marpacha kam nanakaha sarna kapta hilachana kampi mirinda sa wale munatawa abesa chunito no hermano ukata wali sumau hichuro mantasiwañan hermano hayay hermano.
Around 1,000 plates of CHAIRO were served to attendees and passerby, local media reported. Bolivian leaders led a rebellion against Spain, who made their first push in 1809. After 16 years of open warfare, a group of separatists and guerrillas won the decisive battle against the Spanish royal troops and in 1825 freed Bolivia from Spanish rule.